Good morning, class 8. Today we will do question number 8, 9 and 10 of exercise 11.3. Question number 8. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4224 cm square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of the width 33 cm. Find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Now this is a hollow cylinder and its lateral surface area, it means curved surface area, is given, which is equal to 4224 cm square. Now this cylinder is cut along its height and a rectangular sheet of the width 33 cm is formed. Now find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Now when the cylinder is cut along its height, it is converting into the rectangular sheet. So we can say the lateral surface area of the cylinder is equal to the area of rectangular sheet, and the area of the rectangular sheet is L into B, and the lateral surface area is 2 pi RH for the cylinder. Now area already it is given, no need to find out. It is 4224 cm square, which is equal to L into B. So for written we can write area of a rectangular sheet, which is equal to the curved or the lateral surface area of the cylinder. Now L into B means 2 pi RH, which is 4224. L into B, the value of B is 33. L into 33 is equal to 4224. The value of L is 4224 by 33, means 128 centimeter. Now this is a rectangular sheet. 128 centimeter is its length and 33 meter is its breadth. So for a rectangular sheet, L and B both are given. So the perimeter of the rectangular sheet is twice of L plus B in the bracket. Now put the value and solve it. We are getting, it is coming 322 centimeter. Now question number 9. A road roller takes 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level the road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of the road roller is 84 centimeter and the height is 1 meter. Now this is a road roller and its length is 1 meter and its diameter is 84 centimeter, and this is like a cylinder. Now the length of the road roller means the height of the cylinder is 1 meter, diameter is 84 centimeter, means the radius is 42 centimeter, which is equal to 42 by 100 meter. Now the curved surface area of the road roller is 2 pi RH. Now put the value of R and H here and we will find the curved surface area, which is coming 264 by 100 meter square. Now the total number of the revolutions are 750. So the area of the road will be 750 into 264 by 100 meter square, and after solving it is 1980 meter square. Now question number 10. A company packages its milk powder in a cylindrical container whose base has a diameter of 14 centimeter and the height is 20 centimeter. A company places a label around the surface of the container. If the label is placed 2 centimeter from the top and the bottom, what is the area of the label? Now this is a cylindrical box, milk powder box, and its diameter is given 14 centimeter, its height is given 20 centimeter, and the label is from the top and from the bottom 2 centimeter length is left out. It means from 20 we will minus 2 and 2 times. So the height of the label means the length of the label, we can say 20 minus 2 is equal to 16 centimeter, and the radius is 7 centimeter. So the area of the label, which is around the cylinder, and that will be equal to the curved surface area of the cylinder, it means 2 pi RH. Put the value of R and H and solve, and it is coming 704 centimeter square.